Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix the login error on the DoorDash Driver app. Alright, let's begin with the video. First, make sure that the app is updated to the latest version available. To do so, open the App Store or Play Store on your mobile device and search for DoorDash Driver. Now check if there is any update available. If there is, make sure to update it to continue along. After updating the app, tap and hold the app icon and select App Info from the submenu. Inside it, access the Storage tab and make sure to clear its cache. Once done, check if the problem is solved. If it isn't, then try switching your Wi-Fi connection. You can either connect to another Wi-Fi network or just switch to mobile data for better connectivity. After doing all of that, the last thing you can try is making sure that you are entering the correct credentials. Simply open the app and try signing in with the correct information. If you don't remember your account password, then you can try resetting it, and hopefully your problem will be solved. So that's basically how you can fix the login error on the DoorDash Driver app. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.